guys, we're in the kitchen and we're gonna make some pizza. Where's Mariah? Whoa! Here's everything you will need. Don't forget to set your oven for 450. Use our big mixer with our dough hook. Oh yeah! First we're going to do 2 1/4 cups. I'm just gonna pour 1 tablespoon baking powder. Now 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 cup milk. 1/4 cup softened butter. Now we stir. It should look like a bowl like this. Now we need your dough, rolling pin, and some flour. Roll it out flat into the shape that you want your pizza. This is the shape I want my pizza. And where's mine? Here's mine. Now it's time for the oven. Ask an adult to help you put it in. Guys, this is what our pizza looks like before we add toppings. Oh yeah. And now for this. Oh yeah. Pepperoni. Now some pepperoni. Now for the sausage. Back in the oven, so ask your adult to help. Oh yeah. This is how our pizza turned out. Comment below how your pizza turned out. Bye.